It looks like Tesla IT team at Fremont factory has swiftly foiled an employee sabotage. At least that's what Bloomberg reports, saying that Tesla was recently a victim of malicious sabotage at a section of its Fremont factory. The issue was rapidly identified by Tesla's IT team and resolved by IT team and InfoSec teams, successfully minimizing the damage at Tesla. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. What I just said is reported by Josh Edelson and Dana Hall with Bloomberg, referring to Tesla's new internal email. Bloomberg reporters say Tesla told workers at its auto plant in Fremont, California factory that an employee, quote-unquote, maliciously sabotaged, end of the quote, part of a factory last month and was fired after an internal investigation, according to a memo seen by Bloomberg News itself. So what happened last month in September and was quickly fixed by Tesla team. The electric car manufacturer Tesla responded to the alleged incident rapidly, and operations at the facility at Fremont factory were disrupted for only a short period of time, according to an email sent Monday by Al Prescott, Tesla's vice president of legal and acting general counsel. Now, like I said, the operations at the facility at Fremont were disrupted for only a short period of time. We don't know what type of sabotage this was, and we don't know for how long and what that minimum time of sabotage was of the disruption. 2 weeks ago, our IT and InfoSec teams determined that an employee had maliciously sabotaged a part of the factory, Prescott wrote in the email. Their quick actions prevented further damage, and production was running smoothly again in a few hours later. This was the email, so you can see the short period of time was only about few hours. Now, more than 10,000 people work at Tesla's Fremont factory, which is Tesla's first factory, where the company makes the Model 3, Model S, Model X, and Model Y. It was not immediately clear, Bloomberg reports, if Tesla handled the incident internally or reached out to law enforcement agencies for assistance. A spokeswoman for the Fremont Police Department said Tuesday that they have not responded to any incident that matches the described circumstances, Bloomberg reports, and also add that the San Francisco office of the Federal Bureau of Investigation did not immediately respond to a request for comment. The employee, who was not named, allegedly sought to cover up his trucks, blame a co-worker, and destroy a company computer, the email said. Ultimately, after being shown the irrefutable evidence, the employee confessed. As a result, we terminated employment. That was a quote from Tesla's email reported by Bloomberg. Bloomberg also reports that Tesla is no stranger to concerns of sabotage and has a robust internal security team. Last month, if you remember, Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk confirmed that Tesla factory in Nevada was a target of a thwarted Cybertruck by a foreign national. This was big in the news and everyone reported about this. And also, if you remember, back in 2018, Tesla CEO Elon Musk warned an internal email that someone was trying to sabotage the company. That someone, Musk would later claim, was Martin Tripp, a former employee who has been embroiled in litigation with the company ever since. Not all of Tesla's claims have proved accurate, though. Bloomberg reports saying the company alleged Tripp was going to to shut up the Nevada factory, but police quickly determined that he was not a threat. Now, if you remember 4 years ago in 2016, Tesla sued a former oil service executive for impersonating Elon Musk in an email to former CFO Jason Wheeler. In the lawsuit, the carmaker said the email was part of an oil industry effort to undermine Tesla's push for energy efficient transportation. So you can see already this is the fourth one, right? One last month, last month, another one before that earlier this year, then 2018, then 2016, and then Tesla said in the email that Monday that it does not tolerate unethical behavior and will take steps against workers who engage in such acts. Here's what Bloomberg reports Tesla saying: "We place tremendous trust in our employees and value everyone's contribution. However, whatever the personal motivation of the attacker were, these are crimes, violations of our code of conduct, and are unfair to other employees." Prescott wrote, adding that we will take aggressive action to defend the company and our people. Prescott, Musk, and Tesla did not respond to requests for comment from Bloomberg. Friends, earlier this year, I worked as an SEO consultant for a very large U.S. home improvement company, one of the largest that you know in the media, and I have seen that large companies really do put tremendous amount of trust in their employees, and it is a huge violation of code of conduct if an employee breaches that trust. This is not a good thing, and one thing that I see good about this is that this employee has confessed. Confession is a good thing. Confessed when he was presented with a unrefutable evidence, and it's good that Tesla has this strong security team that can quickly and swiftly foil any attempt of sabotage, because there are advanced technologies here, and probably everyone wants to have some piece of action from Tesla to improve their own technologies from different companies. I don't know, but so like we said, to summarize everything, Tesla told workers at its auto plant in Fremont, California, that an employee maliciously sabotaged part of a factory last month and was fired after an internal investigation, according to a memo seen by Bloomberg News. And Tesla responded to the alleged incident rapidly, and operations at the Fremont facility were disrupted only for a short period of time, for a few hours, according to an email sent Monday by Al Prescott, Tesla's Vice President of Legal and Acting General Counsel. So, friends, let me know what your thoughts are in this situation. What do you think about this? And in the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone, and see you soon in our next story. Peace be with all of you.